Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class. In our today's class, we are going to study part 2 of this chapter. We are going to study chapter 1, part 2. And in this part, we are going to study the topic parts of subject and predicate and phrase. We are also going to see many examples of this both topics.
Elements of a predicate. Elements of a predicate include a finite verb. It also includes an object, a complement, and an adverb. The predicate can have only one finite verb. Elephant's trumpet. Here only finite verb is trumpet. The rain has stopped. Here stopped is the finite verb. Next page. A predicate can have a verb and an object. Predicate में एक verb हो सकता है और एक object भी हो सकता है. They are playing football. Here playing is the verb, action word, and football is object. Okay, whenever you want to find object in the sentence, you have to ask what or whom to verb. Okay, playing what? So playing football. So football is the answer of the what and football is the object. A predicate can also consist of a verb and a complement. Predicate में verb और complement भी हो सकता है. A complement can be in the form of more information about the subject or object. Complement है वो कुछ ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है या तो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में या तो ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में. मीन्स हमारा जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है वो सब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी हो सकता है और वो ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल, द कारपेंटर इज स्किल्ड. हियर सब्जेक्ट इज कारपेंटर and verb is skilled. Okay, complement is skilled. The Qutub Minar is tall. Here the subject is Qutub Minar and the complement, the verb is tall. A predicate can also include a verb and an adverb. Predicate में verb और adverb भी हो सकते हैं. The computer performs swiftly. Here the verb is performs and adverb is swiftly means quickly. Object complement. An object consists a person or a thing that is affected by the action of the verb. Means object is the thing on which the action is affected. An object can be a noun or a pronoun and is placed after the verb. ऑब्जेक्ट है वो नाउन भी हो सकता है, प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है और वर्ब के बाद की उसकी पोजीशन होती है. इट कम्स आफ्टर द वर्ब. इन अ सेंटेंस द वर्ड्स दैट आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हाट और हुम आर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. आई टोल्ड यू ना, ही सेंट हर अ प्रेजेंट. सेंट व्हाट? सेंट प्रेजेंट. सो प्रेजेंट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सेंट हुम? सेंट her. So her is also object. In this sentence, her and present are objects. A complement is generally a noun or an adjective that comes after the verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, seem, appear, become, look, etc. A complement is a noun or adjective which is after the verb like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, seem, appear, become, look. It expresses the quality, the state or identity of the subject or object. Example, the complement in the following sentences have been highlighted. MS Dhoni is a renowned cricket player. Here the complement is renowned cricket player. which is related to subject, means it is subject complement. She looked gorgeous. Here subject is she and gorgeous is the complement. Gorgeous is directly related to the subject. The whale is huge. He made us laugh. Made whom? Made us laugh. Okay, so us is the object and laugh is complement. So this is object complement. She played the game swiftly. Played what? Played game. So game is the object and it is describing that how the game is played. Game is played swiftly means quickly. So swiftly is the complement. Here subject has two parts, qualifier and mean word. Okay. So how the qualifier is also divided into three parts: determiner, adjective and adjective phrase. Okay, qualifier is divided into three groups: determiner, adjective and adjective phrase. So first we will see one example. A girl reads a book. Here a is determiner, girl is noun, reads is action word means it is verb and book is object. Okay, so before the subject is, girl is the subject, before subject determiner is added. We can see that determiner is the qualifier. Okay, now example number 2. That man came here. Man but which? That. So that is determiner, man is subject, man is noun, came is verb and here is object. A young man ran to catch the thief. Okay, so a is determiner, young man, see, man is the main word, is the noun, is the subject, but man कैसा? Okay, adjective है young, so a young means determiner भी लगा है और adjective भी लगा है before the subject, so it is enlarged subject. A young man एक enlarged subject बन जाएगा. A young man ran to catch the thief. Ran is verb, catch is also ran to catch. Catch what? So catch thief. Thief is object. A blue parrot sitting on a wall flew away. Here a is determiner, blue is adjective, parrot is noun, sitting on a wall is adjective phrase and flew away is predicate. Okay. अभी हम अगर सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो अ ब्लू पैरेट सिटिंग ऑन अ वॉल, वो वहां तक पूरा हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. फ्लू अवे इज प्रेडिकेट. हियर अ इज डिटरमाइनर, ब्लू इज एडजेक्टिव, पैरेट इज नाउन, सिटिंग ऑन अ वॉल is adjective phrase. Flew away is predicate. So we can say that determiner, adjective और adjective phrase तीनों आ सकते हैं साथ में भी. Okay, this can also be a possibility. Flew away is predicate. Now parts of predicate. Predicate is divided into three: verb or adverb, object or complement. Okay, object is divided into two: direct verb and indirect. Okay, direct object and indirect object. So predicate में सिर्फ verb adverb भी हो सकता है, object verb adverb में से दोनों में से एक भी हो सकता है, एंड तीनों साथ में भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल. ओके, example of predicate. Possibility number 1. Okay, Kamal gave me a pen. Here Kamal is subject, gave me a pen is predicate. Okay, here in predicate gave is verb, gave what? So gave pen. So pen is direct object. DO means direct object. Gave pen to whom? To me. So me is indirect object. So here predicate में verb आया, direct और indirect object भी आया. Okay. Example number 2. Kunal promised to play chess with me. Here Kunal is the subject, promised to play chess with me is predicate. Okay, now let's see. Promised एक verb है. Okay, to play chess with me ये पूरा एक infinitive है because to is coming before a verb. Okay, it is infinitive. So a predicate can have verb and can have infinitive. Okay. Now Rohit chose Mohan the captain. Rohit chose Mohan the captain. Rohit is the subject. Chose Mohan the captain is predicate. Here the verb is chose. Chose यानी select करना. Okay. To choose. Okay, chose is verb, Mohan is object and captain is complement. Chose whom? Chose Mohan. So Mohan is object and captain is complement because it is showing a position of Mohan. ठीक है, it is describing more about Mohan, about the selection. Okay. Example number 4. Geeta is beautiful. Here Geeta is the subject. Geeta is subject. Is beautiful is predicate. Now is a helping verb. Okay, it is verb. Beautiful is adjective. So in this sentence we can say that predicate में verb आया और adjective आया. Okay, verb and adjective are there in this predicate. Children, what is a phrase? A group of related words. It is a group of related words. Does not have subject or verb or both. Okay, it does not have verb or subject, or it must not be having any of them. Do not convey complete sense or thought or idea. Okay, मतलब ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो एक सेंटेंस में आते हैं जो रिलेटेड भी होते हैं, सेंटेंस का पार्ट भी होता है, जिसके अंदर कोई वर्ब या सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता, बट इवन दे आर नॉट कन्वेइंग द कंप्लीट सेंस, और वो कंप्लीट सेंसिबल भी नहीं होता है कंप्लीटली. Examples. Mukesh is making tea for the guests. I saw a joker in the circus. Amit is standing behind the mango tree. Now children, these are making complete sense. So these are sentences. Okay. इसमें से phrase कितने words phrase है? Which is the phrase? Mukesh is making tea for the guests. So making हमको पता है verb है. Okay. एंड मुकेश जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है. सो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, कंप्लीटली सेंसिबल नहीं होता है. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट फॉर द गेस्ट्स इज आवर फ्रेज. I saw a joker in the circus. See, saw is verb. Okay. I is subject. And joker is also noun. I is noun. So, in the circus is correct answer. Okay. I भी तो pronoun है. Joker भी noun है. Saw verb है. So, after removing this words, we can say in the circus is the answer of phrase. Amit is standing behind the mango tree. Amit is the subject. Standing is helping verb. Standing is verb. So we can say behind the mango tree is phrase. Hope you are clear how to find out phrase from a sentence. These are some points to remember. A phrase can be found at the beginning, middle or at the end of the sentence. Phrase होता है वो कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. स्टार्टिंग में हो सकता है, बीच में यानी मिडल में हो सकता है, या तो एंडिंग में भी हो सकता है. ओके. A sentence may contain more than one phrase. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि एक सेंटेंस में एक ही फ्रेज होगा. There are possibilities कि एक से ज्यादा फ्रेज भी कोई सेंटेंस में हो. Example, a girl was standing near me. Here, in this sentence, there are three phrases. A tall girl is standing near me. Okay. Here T is missing. A tall girl was standing near me. Here in this sentence, there are three phrases. Which are they? A tall girl, okay, was standing and near me. The tall girl is first phrase, was standing is second, and near me is the third phrase. So a tall girl was standing near me इस sentence में तीन phrases है. A phrase may not contain a subject or verb, or it even may not contain both.
Okay children, I hope you understood this topic and you have to complete the exercise, textual exercise, and if you have any doubts you can contact me or you can ask the doubts in the live session. Again students,